In today's video, we're going to be testing out the Asub Sublimation PET film. I'm really excited to test these out. I've never seen these before, and I'm really excited. So if you want to see what these are and how they work, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about sublimation and sewing on a budget. So if either of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's jump into this video.
For this project, we're gonna need some Asub receptive PET film, and I'm gonna open this up so you can see how it looks. So this comes in this packaging, and it's 8.5 by 11, and basically this, I believe this is like photo paper. So it comes packaged in plastic. Oh, that's not what I thought it was gonna feel like. So it's like, it almost reminds me of like the tin sheets that you sub, like the photo panels, but this is, I don't know, like plasticky. It's not what I thought it was gonna feel like. That's very interesting. It's cool. I'm excited to see. So there's one side that's very extremely glossy, which is this side, and then the other side has some sheen to it, but it's not glossy like this side. We're gonna need our design on printed on sublimation papers. Again, our photo printed on sublimation paper, not like inkjet printer paper or anything like that. Butcher paper. So for mine, I am going to be taking my photo and actually gluing it inside of this little frame I got from Dollar Tree. I'm just realizing, I don't know why I didn't even realize that the back comes off. Like, I'm gonna have to trim it, glue it in here. No, it's an actual frame. So this is really cute. I'll try to find this on the Dollar Tree website and have it linked for you guys. But this is really cute. I didn't even realize that you can change it out like that. Oh, I love that. That's gonna make it so much easier. But I thought this would be really cute. And then of course we're gonna need some heat tape and some heat gloves. We're gonna get our PET film. Make sure there's no dust on the PET film. And we're just gonna lay our design facing down. Make sure that you're doing it on the very glossy side. I'm excited to try this. Then we're just going to take some heat tape, tape that. And then this is ready to go to our heat press. The instructions say to heat up your heat press to 338 degrees Fahrenheit for 150 to 180 seconds. So I got mine set to 338. Hopefully that's not too hot. Heat press tends to run hot, but we will see. We're testing it out. I'm gonna lay down my butcher paper. I'm going to put down PET film. I'm going to put butcher paper on top of it. And then I'm going to press for the 150 seconds. Let's see. That was 150 seconds. We're gonna grab heat gloves. Just going to take our sublimation paper, and it said to carefully peel it off. So I'm just gonna peel off the heat tape. Just like that. How much ink release I had, so a good amount. And then this looks beautiful, you guys. Wow, look at that. Do you see that? Like, the colors look great. It looks really clear. So it says to let this dry for 24 hours before you mount it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let this just sit on my desk for 24 hours, and then we'll come back and we'll trim it up and put it in the Dollar Tree frame.
I really love how these turned out. The colors are beautiful. I love that it's like tear resistant, so it's not like, you know, photo paper, you can rip it up, it's paper. These are not like that. It's definitely an interesting material, but I love it. You can like, you don't ever have to worry about your prints getting messed up. Like, they're going to last. These again are tear and water resistant, so you can get water on it and it's not gonna mess up. You know, if you get water on regular photo paper, it's gonna smear. But I think this turned out so cute. I love, love, love it. I'm gonna have these sheets linked down below. Don't forget that if you use the code Leslie, you'll get 12, I believe it's 12% off. I'll have it linked down below. It's also gonna be up here in the screen. So make sure to get yourself some. These are actually pretty cool. Never going back to using photo paper. I actually genuinely like these. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit the bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Comment down below to tell me if you guys are gonna try these. If you've already tried them and you knew before me that these existed. And again, I'll have the frame as well. I'm gonna try to find it on the Dollar Tree website, and I'll have it linked down below in the description as well if I can find it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.